We are live and in.
Hi everyone, I am Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. I'm working there as the Solutions Engineering Director for the Meta region. It's a pleasure to join you for Westcon Comstar 5G and IoT Summit. Today, I will be talking about why application QA and network intelligence is critical for 5G success. A bit about Sandvine. We are leaders in application and network intelligence across all access domain, including enterprise. Our greatest value is helping our customers see the unseen in their networks in real time with actionable data insights. We have the industry's best data accuracy, our core belief being you cannot fix what you can't see. Coupled with the ability to measure all subscribers' key quality indicators at very high measurement granularity, and by providing contextual data by correlation of user, device, service, and network details on every session. Finally, our ability to sit inline and take direct action on traffic, improve service and network performance is a key differentiator. As you can see from the map, we have almost 2.5 billion subscribers going through our solution, deployed across 200 plus communication service providers, which are deployed across 100 plus countries today. Coming to the state of the internet, the telco business model is reaching a tipping point in the digital era. Today, top 6 digital brands generate more than 56% of the global network traffic, with telcos shouldering massive network investment towards providing appropriate quality of experience. And this, in our opinion, is not going to get any easier for service providers with the arrival of augmented reality, VR, IoT, machine-to-machine, and new application domains like metaverse. These pressures are driving CSPs to rethink their digital era business models. CSP require a fair ROI for their substantial investments while protecting their networks and brands. Recent outages with Facebook, AWS, Tesla showed how profound the impact was. And if as a service provider, you are unable to detect these application QA issues in real time and determine whether they are being caused by your network or elements external to you, you risk the run of churn. From Sandvine's perspective, the primary customer challenges we see is traffic shift to work from home. We are still passing through a pandemic. We believe it's not a transitory phenomena, but rather more to stay, graying out the boundaries between business user connection versus home user connection, and are raising questions with service providers. Can your network provide business application QA visibility for, let's say, applications like Zoom or Microsoft Teams? Moreover, can your network ensure business application QA across network for these applications per subscriber as your subscriber moves between home and business connection? 5G, cloud is here. They are transformative. There's a huge business opportunity, but they come with their own operational and commercial challenges. How to optimize the use of limited CapEx for 5G rollouts? Where are the application capacity hotspots impacting application QoE? Where are the device hotspots which support 5G radio connectivity? Surging video has been a concern. For example, if 10% of the video today moved from standard definition to 4K, video would be 77% of download. Do you, as a service provider, have the ability or visibility to OTT encrypted video resolution? Moreover, do you have the ability to manage encrypted video resolution based on device type, day of time, peak hour, busy hour? Increasing revenue, increase customer revenue via creative service plans, move into enterprise service revenue, smart industries, Industry 4.0, and public safety. As our economies move more and more digital, and we are being fast-tracked into that, there's more and more regulatory data burden coming with encryption. Challenges are coming with encryption, which have made obsolete current solution. Voice call and IPTV fraud are a big leakage in communication service providers' revenues. They are spending tens of millions of getting exclusive rights to content like the upcoming FIFA World Cup. And then they lose these revenues because of illegal streams, which are in fact using the same service providers' infrastructure to stream this illegally to consumers. Sandvine's differentiation in next generation network, we are confident our advanced classification of application traffic and breadth of use case will continue to be our strength in 5G. We have a rich library of 4,000 plus signatures. We update them weekly. We have a manic focus on ensuring that the traffic passing through our system has the least amount of unknown, and we provide the best classification possible. And when we talk about classification, that is more granular than HTTP or TLS, but actually shows interesting specifics of the traffic like Facebook video. We have integration with third-party feeds for like URL categorization, for security feeds, for IOC, meat reclassification, and we also work with some of the largest content providers like Facebook and Microsoft to ensure that we don't just provide a general traffic category like web browsing, but in fact provide more meaningful data like Facebook video, Instagram video. We believe this is the foundation of application intelligence. Sandvine defines application intelligence as an automated process of analyzing, optimizing, monetizing applications to ensure high quality of experience. It uses contextual and predictive insights about user behavior and application performance, as well as real-time policy action to deliver meaningful and immersive application experiences. Application intelligence, in our view, is critical to enable smart ecosystems and advanced 5G services. It enhances the value of platforms and networks, thus enabling better monetization. Sandvine's 5G solution is built across 3 pillars: 5G service innovation, personalization services based on what users really want, unlock new 5G services using machine learning-based application understanding. We already see a move to no quota-based plan. Perhaps in 5G, value proposition would be based on service level agreement. If you want to watch standard definition video, you will have one tariff plan. If you want to watch 4K video on your device, you will have another tariff plan. 5G transition. We help optimize 4G to 5G transition and assure service continuity, improve capacity planning based on application needs and subscriber experience. 5G automation, enriched service intelligent engine, NWDAF, we'll have some more details on it later. Dynamically self-optimizing network and resources. So how does Sandvine fit into the 5G NSA? Before we just talk about it, I'll take a brief moment to describe Sandvine's architectural component. We have 4 basic components. The active logic sits at the data plane, looks at all traffic and classifies it. We have a control plane called the Maestro policy engine. We have a full CUPS design, which integrates with your 3GPP elements like the PCRF and OCS and provides REST-based APIs to integrate. The active logic pushes real-time analytics insights into the insights data storage, which is acts as our data store. From here, we have a deep insights portal, which visualizes our use cases as per persona. So you have dashboards covering CTO's call flow requirements, or the VP of planning or VP of engineering. And of course, you have the ability to get aggregated data out into your own data lake. When it comes to 5G NSA, we detect the 5G devices. We provide the ability to tell you when the 5G device is bursting from the 5G radio versus the 4G radio in an NSA architecture and contextualize it with application QoE. Sandvine today supports full integration with 5G standalone architecture. As the diagram shows, our MPE integrates as a NEF into the SBA backbone. We are vendor agnostic, cloud native. We provide slice-aware visibility, action, and charging. We have a converged solution which at the same time supports 4G, 5G NSA, and 5G SA. Existing Sandvine use cases are compatible with 5G standalone architecture. Now coming to NWDAF. NWDAF is a 3GPP defined component in the 5G core. It is mandatory. Before going into a bit more details, I would like to discuss some of the challenges unique to 5G. 100 times, we have far more complex than its predecessor. As we move into millimeter wave, there are going to be hundreds of times more cell sites than before, 100 times more connected devices, heterogeneous network topology driven by MEC and private networks. A lot of intelligence is being pushed to the edge, unlike previous generation networks. Dynamic network resource allocation is a fundamental concept of the 5G core. It's cloud native, it's multi-vendor, as you have already heard about Open RAN. Slice SLA is critical for enterprise customers. Consistent application QoE and time-sensitive applications are going to be a norm. In our view, Probe OSS-centered overlay analytics for post-event troubleshooting and improvements will just not cut it. They may have worked in 2G, 3G, 4G, but 5G, you require a network data analytics enabled centralized baked into call flows for zero-touch, closed-loop service assurance. So what is a network data analytics function? As I said, it's a standardized 3GPP component. In summary, it collects network telemetry data from various network application systems called sources like AMF, UPF, and even a GNode B. Uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to perform deep analysis on collected data, produce this analysis in form of analytics, which are like statistics and predictions. Provide these statistics to consumers like the PCF and SMF, NSF, etc., which then take real-time dynamic action to enable 5G use cases. It's a fundamental component. Sandvine provides a fully 3GPP compliant network data analytics function, enabling new use cases like 5G UE behavior analysis, 5G slice load analysis, 5G network function load analysis. It can be deployed as a standalone function component of the 5G core or with our active network intelligence portfolio. When deployed with active network intelligence portfolio, it allows further enrichment as we push application QoE and network performance into the NWDAF for better predictive analytics and action. Sample of some use cases. If you start from the left-hand side, the first dashboard shows 5G adoption. It is helping CSP plan 4G to 5G capacity-based adoption rates. In this way, they can accelerate 4G to 5G migration, prioritize CapEx, and maximize 5G efficiency in QoE. The one in the center shows key quality indicators that impact individual subscribers' application QoE, quickly identifying per application QoE and whether they are as a result of network or content providers. Providers complete drill down to locations which are hotspots. This use case is a key for enabling NOC to service operation transformation, which is key for success in 5G-enabled network, where quality of service will define tariffs. Real-time subscriber insights, the one at the rightmost, the third dashboard, provides real-time service application device and network performance data for individual subscriber. This data helps CSP to create, evolve, and upsell services, as well as reduce customer care call and churn. Sandvine's market-leading fair usage congestion management solution provides a rich set of policy as per user basis across multiple contexts and service dimension. Heavy user management, as the name suggests, limits heavy user during peak hours once they cross predefined usage thresholds for the day of the month. Intent-based congestion management is a closed-loop automated traffic management solution based on setting an intent for traffic classes and allow automation to do the work for you. Finally, Sandvine provides multiple deployment options models to optimize CapEx and OpEx. Our hardware portfolio is based on COTS appliance, which allows us to provide you with the latest and greatest CPU NIC cards. If it's host-based virtualization you ask for, we have KVM and VMware support. We support both private cloud OpenStack-based deployment along with public cloud containerized-based deployment on AWS and Google Cloud. Thank you. I hope you found the content I shared insightful. Please do visit our website at www.sandvine.com. As mentioned earlier, there'll be a quiz taking place now. Stay tuned for the same. Good luck. Well,
great.
You
did 14, almost 13 minutes and 50 seconds. I thought it would go over.
Oh, I had to. I had a 10 minutes timer, so I had to rush in between. But I think it's okay. I mean,
no, it went fine. It went fine.
Yeah, it went well, Usman. Jackie, how much time in total we have exactly?
I got it as 30 minutes, 50 seconds, exactly what Khalid said.
Okay, great, Usman. So, Usman, what we'll do now is we'll quickly take a 1-minute teaser video with you. I'll put the text here in the chat for your reference again.
Okay, so I can remove the slide deck, I guess.
Yeah, so for this, you will be entirely on the screen. There would not be any slide next to you. So we'll be basically publishing this on our LinkedIn channel and all to promote the event. So all you have to say is, hello, everyone. I am Usman from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine, about your topic? Then join me at the upcoming WestCon Comstores 5G and IoT Summit. Where we can together explore more. Looking forward to seeing you, something like that.
Okay, so I'm going to just to rehearse and Khaled, do correct me. I'm Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. Do you want to know about Sandvine and why application QoE is fundamental to having a successful business case for 5G? Let me repeat that. I don't think that went quite as well as I wanted. Let's get to the plan. Okay. Hello, my name is Usman Chaudry. I am from Sandvine. Now I don't have the access to this. Hold on, let me try it again. Now it's better. Hello, I am Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine? Why application QoE and network intelligence is critical for 5G success. Join me at upcoming WestCon Comstar 5G and IoT Summit, where we can together explore more. Looking forward to seeing you. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Very
that's
good.
great.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
You're
since
right.
Okay.
now,
No,
Usman,
good.
for this one, you'll be on the entire screen, so you'll have to face the camera even more better. Yeah. If you
It'll be
want, we
like
can take a
that.
couple of retakes as well. And when you feel comfortable, we can pick that particular shot.
Okay, I am Usman Chaudry. Hold on, let me start again. I am Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine and why application QoE and network intelligence is critical for 5G success? Join me at WestCon Comstar 5G and IoT Summit, where we can together explore more. Looking forward to seeing you all there.
Can you do it again?
Okay. I am Usman Chaudhry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine and why application QoE and network intelligence is critical to 5G success? Join me at upcoming WestCon Comstar 5G and IoT Summit, where we can together explore more. Looking forward to seeing you all.
Usman, if you don't mind, if you can just take one more retake. Rest everything went well. It's just that I felt that you should be looking more in front of the camera. If you want, probably we can adjust the laptop screen a bit.
It looks a little bit, Osman, like your eyes are going to the left or your right, I guess. No. I'm not saying your body. It looks like you're reading. It
Yeah,
looks like
it looks
No,
like
I'm
you're reading
reading.
on the notes. Yeah.
you are reading. I know, but
Okay, I am Usman Chaudhry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine? Oh, that up. I am Usman Chaudhry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine and why application QoE and network intelligence is critical to 5G success? Join me at WestCon and Comstar 5G and IoT Summit. Welcome and shit.
No problem. We have to do it again as well with the things.
Okay, let me try it one more time.
Okay.
I am Usman Chaudhry from Sandvine.
Wait. Let me. Okay, yeah. Let me just get you ready there, and then start when you're ready.
I am Usman Chaudhry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine and why application QoE and network intelligence is critical for 5G success? Join me at upcoming WestCon Comstar 5G and IoT Summit. Looking forward to seeing you all.
the only thing that I'm seeing, Osman, is that your eyes are going up and all over the place instead of just looking at the camera. That's the only comment that I have.
Okay.
Exactly the same. Yes.
Okay, let's try it one more time.
Just
Sure,
keep
no
your
problem.
eyes directly on the camera. Keep your eyes directly on the camera.
I think we'll have to adjust the camera again a bit. I think your head is getting a bit chopped off from the top.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now is the
perfect.
time.
Now,
Yeah.
yeah, yes.
Is it fine now? I am Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. Let me start again. I am Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine and why application QoE and network intelligence is critical for 5G success? If you do, join us at Westcon and Comstar 5G and IoT Summit. Hope to see you there.
You added a little bit something at the end, if you do, but
There should be some, individuality to it, right?
Yeah, and I think there was in between a small pause as well, which I noticed.
Okay.
So I think this time your eyes were at the camera. Just one last time, Usman, if you don't mind. I think it will be all good.
Okay, let's try again.
Great. Jackie, if you can take him on the full screen, please. Thank you.
I am Usman Chaudry from Sandvine. Do you want to know more about Sandvine and why application QoE and network intelligence is critical for 5G success? If you do, please join us at Westcon Comstar 5G IoT Summit. Hope to see you there.
I think it went fine this time. How about you? What do you feel, Khalid?
no, I think this one was better. There was a little bit at the end where a couple of things were taken off, but that's fine. You know, it's I think the message is good. If you're okay with it, Swina.
Yes, I'm okay with that, Khalid, now.
Perfect.
Great. So we'll take this last one then.
Got
Okay,
it.
so Smina, you just need a picture of myself now. That's it.
Yes,
right?
that's the only thing which is pending now, Usman.
Okay. And,
Osman, you didn't take a picture when we were at the 2020 kickoff in Jan?
man, I didn't have a beard at that time. This is pre-COVID days. This is
That's
completely
okay.
different.
It's still a high resolution picture. You can share it now.
Okay. Anyways, I'll ask somebody to take a picture.
Okay, great. If you can
iPhone
just
typically.
help us and share that today itself, that would be great, Usman, since we have a deadline and all now.
I'll do that.
Perfect. Great. Thank you very much, Usman, for your time and the presentations. Thank you very much, Khalid, for your support as well.
No, thank you very much, Swina. Tthank you, Jackie. Thank you, Osman.
Thank you very
you.
much.
Thank you, guys. Have a
Jackie.
good. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you very much. Jackie, we